In order to create Start Here information in the content of Desire to Learn, you will begin by clicking on Content from the top navigation bar. And then you'll add a new module. So you will come down here to the space that says Add a Module and type in Getting Started. Now that our Getting Started module is open, we can click on New and select Create a File from the drop-down menu. In here, under the title, we put something along the lines of Getting Started Information. And then in this area, you can type any information that you want to relay to students on how to get started in the course. So this could have text, links, videos, pictures, anything that you wanted to include. So you just put in the content and then click on Publish. And if we wanted to move the Getting Started up to the very top, we could do so that it comes before week 1 and our students know to start with that one. So now we have that at the top. And that concludes this tutorial on how to add Getting Started information in the content section.